One of the most dreaded parts of aging is losing hair and the difficulties that come when trying to grow that hair back. While hair growth and hair loss are often determined by genetics, there are things you can do to ensure healthy hair growth. Here are some expert suggested tips to help you grow your hair faster and, more importantly, keep it healthy. How to make your hair grow faster. The number one factor when it comes to hair growth, hair loss, and hair loss prevention is genetics. Unfortunately, as of right now, there is no magic remedy available to us that reverses genetics. With that being said, there are steps that you can take to help promote hair growth and hair loss prevention. Here are some of those steps. Steer clear of restrictive dieting. Restrictive diets decrease the amount of valuable resources and nutrients we intake. A lack of these nutrients can slow hair growth, especially considering the fact that hair growth is halted quickly when your body is under stress due to restrictive dieting. Maintain healthy protein intake. Your diet should be well balanced with adequate protein intake. It is recommended that you consume at least 50 grams of protein per day to ensure healthy hair growth. Caffeine. Recent studies have found that caffeine can promote hair growth at the molecular, cellular, and organ levels in both men and women. The more nutrients, the better. Specific vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids such as biotin, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, spermidine, zinc, and iron can play a role in healthy hair growth. Avoid heat. The heat given off by curling irons, hair dryers, and straighteners can damage your hair and cause skin breakage. Don't go crazy on the hair dyes. While dyeing your hair can be fun and can provide you with a new look, the chemicals in those dyes can put stress on the hair, causing it to break. Even though genetics play the biggest role in hair growth, there are several factors that you can control that also play a big role. How to grow hair faster with home remedies. What else can you do at home to help promote healthy hair growth? Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on hair care products to grow your hair faster. In fact, there are plenty of things you can do to promote hair growth in your own home using natural remedies. Here are some examples. DIY deep conditioners. The longer your hair, the older it is. Older hair requires more TLC than a normal conditioner can give. Using 1 cup of unrefined coconut oil and 1 tablespoon each of almond oil, macadamia nut oil, and jojoba oil can get your hair the nutrients it needs. Brush gently. Brushing your hair is essential, but brushing too hard can cause physical damage to your hair. Experts suggest that if you can hear the sound of the brush crunching through your strands, you're brushing too rough. Use a silk pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases can lead to matted hair and tangles. A softer surface will result in less friction. Change the way you wear your hair. Having your hair in a ponytail every day can cause your hair to break over time. As you can see, there are things you can do to help improve the health of your hair without spending hundreds of dollars on products. What shampoo makes your hair grow faster and longer? When it comes to shampoo and other hair products, the products that are best for you will depend on several different factors, mainly how long your hair is, how sensitive your scalp is, the color of your hair, and how often you wash your hair. For the most part, experts suggest that the best shampoo for faster hair growth is stocked with circulation boosters and DHT blockers. These two can help optimize scalp health while protecting weaker hair follicles. At the same time, they can build the illusion of having grown more hair while you work out the tissue. DHT blockers are crucial because DHT can damage and shrink hair follicles, resulting in the growth of finer and shorter hair. How fast does hair grow per day? The American Academy of Dermatology claims that hair grows about ½ an inch per month on average. This adds up to a grand total of 6 inches per year for the hair on your head. When we lose hair, it's not because we lose the hair follicles. We are born with about 5 million hair follicles, 100,000 of them being on our heads. As we get older, some of those follicles stop producing hair. How fast your hair grows will depend on your age, specific hair type, overall health, other health conditions. Science has discovered a little bit about how hair growth is controlled at the cellular level in the body, but not enough to know how we can directly speed up hair growth. Which oil is best for fast hair growth? There are many different essential oils for hair growth both men and women can use to ensure their hair is as healthy as possible. These oils contain ingredients that help stimulate hair growth, making hair grow healthier and stronger. Below are some of the oils experts recommend to help promote healthy hair growth. Castor oil. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps moisturize the hair and protect the hair follicles. Olive oil. Olive oil is lightweight and contains oleic acid, which easily penetrates the hair shaft and locks in the moisture. Argan hair oil. Argan oil helps moisturize and hydrates the hair by penetrating the hair shafts, nourishing deeply. Jojoba hair oil. Jojoba provides numerous moisturizing and healing properties, making it highly beneficial for both hair and skin. Coconut hair oil. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which helps repair damaged hair. Coconut oil is known to penetrate into hair follicles and stimulate hair growth and moisturize dry hair. There are DIY recipes for many of these oils, or you can purchase these oils anywhere that sells hair products. It's recommended that you research a product and company before making a purchase. What is the best fast hair growth product? When looking for the best product for fast hair growth, you should be on the lookout for products made from natural products. Unfortunately, too many companies cut corners by adding toxic materials into their hair products. These products may provide short-term results, but can lead to long-term issues. Here are some recommended products. Minoxidil. This product helps hair look thicker. Most experts recommend a hair care regimen that includes minoxidil. Hair growth vitamins. Vitamins such as vitamin E play a huge role in boosting healthy hair growth. These vitamins can be found in foods, hair products, or supplements. Hair oil. Hair oil made from natural ingredients can help keep your hair moisturized while protecting your scalp in the process. Shampoos designed for hair growth. There are shampoos that were designed specifically for hair growth. The right hair growth shampoo can invigorate one's scalp, roots, and hair texture in a matter of days. Again, it's important to research brands and products before making a purchase. Supplements for hair growth. Taking care of your body with a proper diet, exercise routine, and supplement regimen can help you prevent hair loss. Supplements, such as a spermidine supplement, can help you live a longer life by inducing autophagy throughout your body. Autophagy is the body's process of replacing older, potentially damaged cell parts with newer, healthier ones. This process becomes increasingly important as you get older and your cells become more and more worn down. Supplements can be beneficial because it can be difficult to get your recommended daily intake of spermidine through your diet alone. By taking a spermidine capsule with your dinner, you ensure that you always get your daily dose of spermidine.